Hello, welcome back to our channel, and today I'll tell you how to make likes not private on X. So unfortunately, with the current version of X, it is no longer possible to make your likes public once again. This feature has been removed, and now all likes are private and only you can see them on your profile. And vice versa, you cannot go simply to someone else's profile and access their likes tab. So to prove that, let me go to my other X account, X profile, and if I try to scroll to reach likes tab, you can see that I cannot do that because it's simply not there. So that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.